Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this in this tutorial video, I am going to show you how to add a uh, anti-adblock killer script in your Blogger site. Now I've just created a blog which is called a demo blog, and you can see a preview of that blog. It's nothing, it's blank. And now uh, to add a anti-block killer script, you have to go to theme section, step one, and now go to edit HTML. Okay. Now in this HTML we have to add a style tag. Copy all this. I'll give the link in the description. So don't worry. After a head tag, paste that style tag, and now copy the script tag also. After copying script tag, you should paste it before ending body. After ending body, sorry, after ending body. Now, if you add and save it, it will take a while. And if you save successfully, then reload the page. Here I am using a Brave browser, which automatically have a ad blocker. Now you can see it says an ad block detected, just like I have done in our website also. See here, if I try on the shields now it will say ad block detected. But same script. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like the video. I guess share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.